Hello everyone, we're a team of Masters in Computer Science students Abdullah Basarvi, Anastasia Sakhamuru, Akshay Prajapati, and Ziting Wang from Northeastern University. And today we would like to introduce SQL Sensei, an AI-powered SQL learning platform that makes learning and teaching SQL smarter, faster, and more engaging. Despite being a core data skill, SQL remains challenging to learn effectively. Many students struggle because they don't receive real time feedback or personalized guidance when they need it. Instructors, on the other hand, find it hard to track progress or manage SQL practice across the entire class. And most platforms today are static. They don't adapt or support the kind of mentoring that makes learning stick. Our solution is SQL Sensei, a web-based platform where students can learn by doing and instructors can manage with ease. We have integrated ChatGPT to play two roles. For instructors, it acts as a natural language assistant, helping manage tasks like approving students or creating courses. For students, it becomes a personal SQL coach, running queries and offering instant, helpful feedback. SQL Sensei is more than just a chatbot. It includes real-time feedback on SQL queries, course and assignment management tools, leaderboards, a public question library, and once registered for a class, access to hidden questions and real human feedback. This system helps students learn faster with fewer frustrations while giving instructors better control without more work. We're building a foundation for adaptive AI driven education. Thank you for your attention. If you would like to explore SQL Sensei yourself, you can scan the QR code here. And now we're moving on to a live demo of the platform.
This is Abdullah Basarvi from Team SQL Sensei. I'm here to present your AI-powered SQL training platform. This is where everything starts. We need to first register as a student or as instructor. We have a verification system so that you need to verify your email and then you need to log into your account and that's when you would get access to your dashboard. As an instructor, you have access to a lot of stuff here from course management to adding questions into the question bank. We'll just go quickly check that out. Here you have the panel to create a course, and here you can manage the courses. Let's say we just need to change the enrollment status of this specific course to as close. You can just go ahead and edit that. Let's just change it to close and save the changes. Yeah, changes should be applied successfully. Yep, the enrollment status for this specific course is closed. Now you can even delete the courses as well. Jumping next to the assignment, instructor could create assignments for the specific courses. Also, they can select questions from question bank, which is right up next. And yeah, and they can just create an assignment, manage those assignments here. They can view what all questions they have added for the assignment and even delete those questions. Here we have an option to create questions. These questions would go right into the question bank, and these could be public or private set by the instructor. If it's public, the questions are accessible throughout the system, and if it's private, the students have to enroll into the course. And talking about enrollment, after students apply for the enrollment, instructor would have option to like approve or deny the enrollment of the specific student. Also, finally, instructor have the access to the dashboard. Here, instructor could view who are the like top scorer, who have solved most problems. And yeah, next we have messages. Here we have a messaging system where instructor could send messages to anyone. Let's say I just need to send a message to Abdullah saying hi, and that would just go right up there. We have a quick contact here as well so that instructor could just send messages to anyone they want right into up to the finger. Next up, we have a SQL query assistant. Before that, I want you to check this out. All the courses have the enrollment status as closed. Let's ask our chatbot to set that as open. Okay. So when I click send, the natural language query is first transformed into a SQL query. That SQL query runs on the live database on the cloud, and after it's like successfully executed, we can just go ahead and check if all of them are open. As you can see, all of them have been changed. Next up, we have student dashboard where they also have access to the query assistant, but this assistant would only help them retrieve data from the database. It won't help them to make changes to the database. But the instructor does have those privileges. Let's say the student want to get on the top of the leaderboard. They would get the generated SQL, but they would also get an error saying you're only allowed to use select queries. Next, we have course enrollments where the student user could enroll into the courses. They could just click on the button and apply for the course, click OK for the confirmation, and yeah, this request would go to the instructor who is responsible for that specific course, and they have the they could reject or deny the student's approval request. Students also have access to the question bank. They could select the difficulty level or just search by topic or just go ahead and click on any of the problem. They would have access to the schema and the examples, like the expected output of the specific problem. Let's say if I put in a wrong query uh, and run the query, and we'll get a feedback soon. See, yeah, the first thing it says is it's incorrect. And it also provides me a correct query as well, which I'll just copy from here and paste it. And if I again run the query, it should say it's correct. Say, yeah, it says it's correct. Let's go back to the dashboard. After the question banks, you have access to the leaderboard that I was talking about. Here you could see that there are a lot of people who have solved so many problems. Here we are with 6 problems solved. We are on the number 5th. Uh, Again, you have access to the all the enrolled courses for which the instructor have approved your request. You can just go ahead, click on the course, and you would have access to the assignments and questions the instructor user have created for you. You would just upload the zip file, and the submission status would change to submitted, but review and grading part that would be on the instructor side. Let's go back. In students do have the same messaging system. They would receive something like this. So yeah, this is our platform. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.